she fought her way through, got to the final and probably on paper wasn't favourite against Serena. I think that's fair to say. But the big thing for me was that Sam saved her best tennis, maybe of her life, for the biggest moment of her life. And I think that says a lot about someone's character.
Happy for the entire team that have been instrumental, particularly these 2 weeks, but really the whole year and the past few years, on helping Sam get to where she needs to get to. I mean, let's not forget, this is Sam's win. She's the one who deserves it. She's the one who deserves the opportunity to celebrate. But we're all going to jump on it and enjoy it as well, because it's been hard work for everyone, and everyone's had a part to play in what's been a great day for Australian tennis.
I let my son stay home from school for an extra hour today, so he was pretty pumped too. We really enjoyed it, and I'm sure we were no different to all the other households. You know, it brought a tear to our eye.